everybody. This is always my favorite part of the episode. It is the Show Us Your Pipe episode. And today we're opening the kimono, not only looking at the exterior venting, but we're going inside. What's inside that boiler, Matthew?
Yeah, so this is a rare treat, let's say, because typically what we feature on this segment is completed installations. I mean, sometimes they're so fancy that there's videos with LEDs shining different color lights against the diamond plate and the whole 9 yards. And, it's a fully, some places you just don't even want to step in because it looks so, hermetically sealed and cleaned and the whole 9 yards. So this one is really fascinating because we get a quick look inside of the boiler, and lo and behold, what do we see inside the boiler but the familiar gray of Inaflu on these custom components, or really OEM components we call them, because internal to this IntelliHot boiler is a, let's call it a non-standard, non-catalog part, and is a part that is in conjunction with IntelliHot's design engineers, something that we have worked to create that goes inside their unit, in addition to the rest of the vent system that then completes the installation. But this is a look inside a retirement facility in Dublin, Ohio. It is a 1 million BTU instantaneous water heater, and as you can see, it's a kind of a custom branch T is what we call it. Some might call it a Y. That is, more of a
manifold. Yeah, there's all kinds of names.
Exactly. It looks to be, I can't, just a guess, but it looks to be maybe a 3-inch feeder into a 6-inch manifold, or a 3-inch feeder into a 4-inch.
Yeah, it would be probably a 6 at a million BTUs. I would say it's probably 6.
Yeah.
On the inside is my guess.
Yeah.
And coincidentally, we didn't talk about this earlier when we were looking at all our options, but earlier in the episode, we were talking about where I've been.
Yeah.
I was actually there at IntelliHot, seeing these beauties being made. So for me, it kind of ties in my travel, a good installation. Did we mention by who? Who did this install?
Yes, we should. Of course, Streamkey Incorporated. Thank you very much for posting these photos. They are a really fascinating look that we don't typically
see. We don't see the inside.
So, IntelliHot is Peoria, correct?
Just outside of Galesville, I believe. I flew to the ASA, tying it to our upcoming guest. I was at ASA, and Jim and I shot down to IntelliHot. Got to see these things.
That'll be James Stafford, our
James
OEM
Stafford,
and
yes.
strategic partners manager.
Yes.
And so we really have a very Midwest vibe on this episode here.
Actually, not by design, just a pure coincidence.
It's funny how that works out. It's as if we produced it with that in mind.
I wish we could say we were that good.
I wish I could speak with a Midwest accent.
Yes.
I
can do Greek. I can't do Midwest.
I don't even know what that would be. Anything that I would try would turn out to be more like Minnesota a bit. And
go Vikings.
No, we don't want to talk about that. That was a rough week last week.
They beat the Bills. I'm sorry, man.
So it happens. It's the same old Bills is what I've been saying. There's some Bills fans scattered around.
I did catch it post game.
Yeah, well, we were texting during it a little bit, and it was not.
Sorry.
It was an ugly. Hey, it's football, man, and
the Vikes.
I don't tie my emotions to it too much.
Yes,
just a little bit. Anyways, Streamkey Incorporated.
Beautiful job. Thanks for showing us the inside of that IntelliHot beauty there.
Yeah, show us your pipe. Also, show us the guts of the boiler in this one.
There you go.
So.